habits like your medicine. Now you not accepting it.
I need late night snack. Nick gon' hit it from the back. He ain't gon' argue back. When I text, he text me back.
I need a late night snack.
Hey BF dolls, welcome back to my channel. So per usual, I'm starting off doing the eyebrows, and I'm just using powder for my ItsMyRayeRaye palette, and then I'm going to take some concealer from my Karity concealer palette and conceal the top and up under her brows. Now I'm taking my Sephora coconut water moisturizer and applying it on her face to moisturize her face. I'm going to start on her eyes first, but I still want it to moisturize her face first, so once we get to the face, everything will apply smoothly. So the first shade that I'm taking today is the burnt orange shade from my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm blending it all over the lid. Now I'm taking a chocolate brown eyeshadow and blending it from the outer V into the inner part of her eye, and I'm just gonna build that up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go into a deeper brown in the outer part and kind of drag it into, like, kind of halfway into the lid. So this is a glitter cut crease look, and I'm going to be taking concealer to cut the crease. I just took a concealer from my Karity concealer palette and a blending brush and just tapped on the shape that I wanted. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm just using tapping motions and shaping out the cut crease. Now I'm just taking a gold shade from my Crayon Case Box of Crayons palette, and I'm just tapping it onto her lid till I get the intensified gold color that I want. So now I'm taking my NYX yellow liner. I'm applying the colored liner first, because whenever you use colored eyeliner and you try to do like a double eyeliner look, it's always better to apply the colored one first, because it makes things much easier when you're applying the black liner after. As you guys can see, I made a mistake and messed up the liner a little bit, but it's okay. That's why I said it's better to apply the colored liner first, because you can just go over it way more easily than if you apply the black liner first and then the colored liner. Now I'm taking my Duo Lash Glue to apply the glitter. Of course, I really love the glue better than the lash glue. I mean, I like the NYX glitter glue to apply glitter, but I ran out of it and I don't have it right now. So the Duo glue is like really working miracles with holding on to the glitter, and I'm using this GlitLifeCosmetics Glitter, as you already know. And then I'm gonna add mascara in her lashes. Now we're on to the face. Per usual, I'm concealing up under her eyes, her nose, forehead, above her mouth, her chin, and then I'm going to go back and add the foundation around the perimeter of her face. And then I'm going to also highlight again, because I wanted her to have like that Kardashian glow, you know what I'm saying? Well, highlight. To set the highlighted areas, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder, and then I'm going to go in with my Clinique powder and add a little bit of it up under there too, to give it that more highlighted Kardashian look that I was telling you guys I wanted to achieve. Now to set the foundation and also contour, I'm using my Lancome Deep Translucent Powder, and I'm using it around the perimeter of her face and the contoured areas. Okay, I don't usually do this step, but I wanted to like really chisel her cheekbones out and kind of give her that, you know, contoured look and whatever. So I took this Sacha Buttercup powder and chiseled up under her contour. Now I'm taking my brown powder. I already told you guys that I lined the lips with powder, and I'm gonna take my Kylie Diva gloss, high gloss, I believe it's the Diva high gloss, and then I'm just gonna pat it in until it's all blended out, because you know it look a little pinky right now, but I'm just gonna keep tapping it in, blending it, and it's gonna look flawless on the lips. But yeah, this is it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys.